Hello everyone, my name is Victoria Pavlov. I am the Photoshop artist and welcome to my studio. Today I would like to share with you my impressions about the Wacom Intuos Pro. For full disclosure, Wacom sent me this tablet, but this is not paid review and opinions are mine. Let's start. Let's start with the packaging, which is beautiful. Now for the unboxing. You get the Wacom tablet, USB-C cable, Wacom Pro pen and stand with 10 nibs in it. Keep in mind that while it does include a USB-C cable, the tablet is wireless and works via Bluetooth. I have worked with Wacom Intuos line for years and they are the best tablet for graphic designers, digital artists and photographers. I love Wacom Intuos because they are lightweight and I can take them anywhere. I use them in my studio, office, on the road, on vacation, and at home on the couch or on the patio. To start setting up your Wacom, first of all, you will need to connect USB-C cable to your Wacom and another part of USB cable to your computer. Now, we will use a Wacom desktop wizard to set up our Intuos Pro. And just like this, Wacom welcomes us. You will need to choose your tablet orientation. Also set up Express key, and we will do it later on. Touch and gestures. After that, you will need to register your device. I will do it later on. And if you have option paper sketching, you will need to set up it now or later on, and you are all set. After that, Wacom will redirect you to Wacom website where you will need to accept or decline cookies. It's up to you. Scroll page up and download Wacom driver. Once the driver is downloaded to your downloads folder, you can double click on it to install on your Mac or Windows. Just follow the prompts. Also, if you are on the latest Mac operating systems, you will likely need to give it access in the privacy system settings. Now, when you finish installing Wacom driver, you can start customizing settings for your Intuos. You can customize it in a way you like. We will start with Express keys. Click on Express key settings, and from here, guys, you will need to specify Express key setting in a way you like. If you never worked with a Wacom tablets before, spend some time, experiment, and after few days you will develop your own favorite style of organizing your Express keys. A touch ring is the most useful element in a Wacom tablet. You will use this ring all the time with any single workflow you're using on. So the right way of organizing your touch ring is the most. Click on touch ring settings, and from here you will be able to customize your touch ring in a way you like. Simply click on arrow icon and you will be able to choose your favorite setting. Using a touch ring, I can resize size of my brush. I can make it bigger or smaller simply moving around a touch ring. Also using the same touch ring, I can rotate my image, or I can zoom in or zoom out my document. The size of Wacom Intuos Pro Medium is 13.2 by 8.5 inches. The active tablet area is the area in the middle between these four marks. You can adjust the active area of your tablet, which maps to your computer display size. Now, let's talk about the amazing pressure sensitivity. Wacom Pro Pen 2 has 8,192 levels of pressure. This is incredible. You can find 10 extra nibs in the bottom of the Wacom Pro pen stand. You can customize the side buttons of your Wacom Pro pen as well as the eraser on the end. This is helpful if you want, for example, set one of the buttons to be an Option or Alt key. To set up the Wacom Intuos Pro wirelessly, press and hold the power button on the side. When you will see this blue dot, press and hold the home button. After that, you will see the blue dots on the right side of your Wacom Intuos Pro. And now you're ready to connect your Intuos Pro Wacom to your computer, desktop, or laptop. The price of Intuos Pro Medium is $379.95. I cannot imagine my digital life without a Wacom tablet. Here is a few minutes of me putting it to the test in my painting, drawing, and retouching workflows. Thank you so much, guys, and I will see you later.